HD crews will be out overnight to prepare for that snow. They're treating the roads with magnesium chloride, an anti-freezing agent to prevent snow from sticking in the first place. As we creep closer to winter conditions, their teams are constantly monitoring the weather to keep drivers safe.
Sometime around midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, our crew chiefs actually get up, go outside, see what the weather conditions are. They're in touch with the weather service so that we can kind of put a game plan together for how we're going to prepare for that day or weather that's occurred overnight.
ACHD has 125 crew members ready to work 12-hour shifts to keep roads clear and safe this winter. If we get more than 3 inches of snow, they will plow roads and finish with sand and salt.